What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about GoDaddy POS. GoDaddy offers a comprehensive point of sale solution for businesses to accept payments in person, online, or over the phone. This all-in-one system includes hardware like a smart terminal and barcode scanner, as well as software for inventory management, sales tracking, and customer insights. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and features. Low fees. GoDaddy understands that every penny counts for businesses, which is why they offer some of the lowest transaction fees in the industry, with rates as low as 2.3% plus 0 cent per in-person transaction, 2.7% plus 0 cent per online transaction, and 3.3% plus 0 cent per keyed-in transaction. Businesses can keep more of their hard-earned revenue instead of paying high processing costs to payment providers. Additionally, there are no setup fees, monthly minimums, or hidden costs, ensuring businesses have a transparent and affordable payment solution. Versatile payment acceptance. In today's digital age, customers expect a seamless and convenient payment experience. GoDaddy's POS system caters to this demand by allowing businesses to accept a wide range of payment methods, including credit, debit cards, contactless NFC mobile payment, and online payments. This flexibility ensures businesses can cater to customer preferences and not miss out on sales due to limited payment options. Sleek and powerful hardware. GoDaddy's Smart Terminal is a modern and sleek POS device that combines functionality with style. With dual screens, one for the merchant and one for the customer, businesses can provide a professional and engaging checkout experience. The customer-facing screen can be customized to showcase the brand and promotions, while the integrated payment processor, printer, and scanner provide an all-in-one solution without needing additional hardware. Streamlined in-person sales. GoDaddy's POS system is designed to streamline in-person sales with a seamless experience. The Smart Terminal and card reader allow customers to quickly swipe, insert, or tap their cards to make payments, while businesses can efficiently process transactions and provide professional checkout experience. This not only enhances the customer experience, but also improves operational efficiency for businesses. Comprehensive e-commerce integration. GoDaddy's POS system goes beyond just accepting payments by integrating their e-commerce tools. Businesses can manage online and in-person sales from a single commerce hub, which includes features like inventory tracking, sales analytics, online store creation, and the ability to sell across multiple channels like social media and marketplaces. This comprehensive solution empowers businesses to grow their operation and reach customers through various channels, all while maintaining a centralized management system. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. One potential drawback is that GoDaddy processes payment in-house with GoDaddy Payments, so you won't be able to integrate with other popular payment processors like Square, Stripe, or PayPal. This limits your options and flexibility when it comes to payment processing. Some businesses may prefer to use a different payment processor based on their specific needs or existing integrations. As of now, GoDaddy only offers two POS hardware options, the Smart Terminal and the card reader. While this may suffice for many businesses, the limited choice would be restrictive for those requiring more specialized hardware like self-service kiosk, kitchen display system, or integrated scales. Businesses with unique hardware needs may find GoDaddy's POS offering too limited. GoDaddy Payments has restrictions on certain types of businesses that are not allowed to use their payment gateway, such as firearms retailers, gambling services, and hemp or CBD product retailers. This could be a major drawback for businesses operating in these restricted industries, as they would be unable to utilize GoDaddy's POS and payment processing services. Despite a few potential drawbacks, GoDaddy's point-of-sale system offers a compelling solution for businesses seeking an affordable, versatile, and integrated way to manage in-person and online sales. With its competitive transaction fees, sleek hardware, and robust e-commerce capabilities, it's an attractive option for businesses looking to streamline their operations and enhance customer experiences. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.